We begin in the region. There's an argument from the mayor of Trinidad San Fernando region that the amphitheater at the National Academy of Performing Arts South Campus should have been named in honor of Calypsonian Black Stallion instead of chutney legend Sundar Popo. The mayor was quoted by the Express newspaper as saying the Calypsonian, who is now 77, must now be given such an honor before his death, as he has made valuable contributions to Trinidad regionally and internationally. The mayor said he was not suggesting removing Sundar Popo's name, but that Stalin should have been honored in a similar way. The cries of residents from Westmoreland, Jamaica are getting louder for a sustainable crime reduction strategy to be implemented in an effort to stem the worrying crime problem across the parish. It was recently reported that 105 people were murdered in Westmoreland up to last Saturday, compared with approximately 77 reported murders for the same period last year, an approximate increase of 27%. Plus, there has been a spike in major crimes. More than 1,100 civilians have been killed in U.S.-led strikes against Islamic State targets in Iraq and Syria since the operation began in 2014, the U.S. military said on Thursday. The coalition fighting Islamic State militants said in a statement that during the month of August it had determined that an additional 53 civilians had been killed unintentionally, bringing the total to at least 1,114 civilian deaths since August of 2014. India's top court on Thursday decriminalized adultery in a landmark judgment aimed at upholding the right to equality and freedom, scrapping a law first brought in on the British colonial rule in 1860. In a unanimous judgment, the five-member bench of the top court struck down a law that meant a man who had sex with a married woman without getting her husband's permission could be charged and face up to 5 years in jail if convicted. While very few people have been sentenced for adultery in recent years, the threat of charges has often been used in matrimonial disputes to put pressure on women, lawyers said. I'm Neil Marks.